In this section, we're going to be talking about formulas and more applications, and we're going to be talking specifically about geometry applications. So let's talk about what a formula is first. A formula, the definition is an equation in which variables are used to describe a relationship. Well, let's figure out what in the world that means. Here we have a rectangle, and whenever we talk about a rectangle, the most important things, of course, are the sides. We have one side usually that's longer than the other side. If they're the same lengths all the way around, we call that a square. But in a rectangle, we always have one side that we identify as being the length and the other side that we identify as being the width. Well, if we think about something that we have done before, which is perimeter. Perimeter is all the way around a figure. Well, if we don't have numbers on the sides of these rectangles, we do have length and width, and we can still kind of come up with an idea of an equation just using those variables and not having any numbers in them at all. So let's think about that perimeter just using the letters. If I were going to describe this perimeter, I would say that my perimeter, or P, would equal, and if I start off here at the top, I would have to take this length, and then I would have to add in this width. But that's not all the way around the figure. So then I would have to add this side, which would be a length again, and then I would have to add this side, which would be another width. Now, if we kind of combine what we've done with solving equations, we can see that on the right-hand side of what we've written, there are common or like terms. So we could put these together. We could say on the right-hand side here, we've got 2 of these L's, and we also have 2 of these W's. So what we've done is we've come up with a formula that shows the relationship between the length and the width of a rectangle and its perimeter. Now, we're going to be doing quite a bit in this section, but we're going to be focusing in on these formulas. So I just wanted to give you an idea of where these things come from. And then in the next video, we'll start doing some example problems with them.